postage you may or may not need. Cosmetic fridge can change that. It preserves the shelf life of your beauty products. It has a hot and cold setting and comes with this car USB to take it on the go.
Cool product, but I wouldn't necessarily recommend you sell this product on Amazon. Now here's the reason why. Number one, it's an electronic. Now there are a lot of things that can go wrong with selling an electronic on Amazon. Number one, you have to find a good supplier for this product, because if your customer gets a faulty electronic, they're gonna leave you a lot of negative reviews and a lot of returns. Also, it's really hard to compete on the electronic niche on Amazon, because remember, your product is starting out on Amazon with 0 reviews. Now, if you're trying to compete with people that have hundreds, then most people are not going to buy your product, because people look into reviews a lot with electronics. So I would not recommend you sell electronics on Amazon. If you would like a step-by-step Amazon training video that shows you in detail how I find winning products to sell on Amazon over and over again, then comment the word Amazon below and I'll send it right over to you.